Alright, so for today, for my cast experience, I'm doing an activity and I'm hiking the Buford Dam. I'm gonna do a trail all around, and yeah, I'll tell you more about it in the car. See ya. Alright, so the Buford Dam isn't all that far away from where I live. It's only a couple miles, and inside the Buford Dam there's around about a 5-mile loop that goes around the dam, and you can hike it. You walk near the river, you get to see some beautiful scenery there, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. So cue the intro. Alright, so we made it here to the Buford Dam. It's right back there. As you can see. Focus on there real quick. Yeah, there it is. It doesn't look like much from up here, but I'll show you the great view that you get of the dam right there. So, let's get into it. Alright, and here it is. You can see the big part right there down the middle. All the water going down. Let's see if you can. Yeah, the water is coming out from the other side. The dam's right just above that hill. And yeah, the water pours down all the way. And you can see here on the other side of the bridge, just pouring, and there's people going in kayaks. It's here most of the time and all that, and yeah, it's nice. Alright, so right there's the entrance to the trail, and we're gonna go. So alright, so I started my hike not too far back, and I'm still hiking it. I actually have no idea where I'm going, but the view is pretty good. Yeah, you still get a lot of greenery, and I'm just following the river. You can see there a sign about the water level rising rapidly, but yeah, I mean, so far so good. So let's see how long it is until the loop ends. Alright, so right now I'm just following the river that comes flowing through the dam from the other side. They've currently been releasing water because the water level's been a little low, but yeah, I've been following that, and I'm pretty sure it's a loop. I just saw a map and it seems like it, so I'm just gonna keep following the trail. I've been following it for about 30 minutes, and so far it hasn't been that bad, apart from almost falling a couple of times. But yeah, let's do some more walking. Alright, we had just saw a checkpoint and we saw a map that shows us that we're about halfway through the loop. So we're already going back. Oh. There you go. I got attacked by a branch. But yeah, we're halfway through and we're about to make it through the other side. So see you there.
Boy, 50 about that money though.
Alright, and I can see the bridge already there. So I guess that means I made it. The trail is, oh, I got a rock in my shoe. But yeah, the trail is about 5 miles and some change. It's a direct loop, and I didn't think it was too bad. But yeah, as you can see, we made it back to the bridge. Safe and sound. So now for the reflection, I guess. Alright, I made it home, I showered, I ate, I did everything I had to do. I wasn't really all that tired, but it was really hot, so I got really sweaty. So, you know, I had to cool down a little bit, take a little break, chill on the couch for a bit. But now it's time for the reflection. But I need to find somewhere to put you guys. That'll work. Alright, so the Buford Dam. Yeah, I hiked it. What more can I say? It was a really nice trail. The waterfalls and the rivers near it were really beautiful. I think what helps about hiking every once in a while, or well, what I like about going hiking every once in a while, is that detachment from like all your distractions that you usually have when you're at home. Because when you're at home, you have your phone always ringing, you have the whole entire internet available to you. You know, you could chill on YouTube for a couple of hours, you could go on Netflix, play games on your Xbox or whatever. And in nature, you can't really do that. You're out there and you only have one objective, which is to either go back to the car or just chill out for a bit. And that's what I liked about the Buford Dam, is that, for example, there was no phone signal, so I couldn't constantly be checking my phone or trying to post things on Snapchat and all that. I was more focused on really just enjoying the true beauty of the trail and walking through it, and yeah, I loved it. So see you guys next week. Bye.